Why stop at the carpet when you can do much more with the bare floor-friendly Kenmore Progressive Vacuum? The agitator shuts off while the suction stays on, so you can go right from carpeting to hardwood, to tile, to vinyl. In fact, any floor in your home. The bare floor-friendly Kenmore Progressive features soft, non-marring wheels, while its variable height adjustment delivers outstanding cleaning performance. And the Kenmore Progressive is America's most powerful upright vacuum, and its super reach-out hose brings high-power suction wherever the dirt is. The bare floor-friendly Kenmore Progressive Vacuum. It's available only from Sears. The good life at a great price, guaranteed.